Hi everybody, and you're very welcome to this lesson. Now so far we allow users to sign up, but we should also now allow them to log in and log out. We're about to create a very simple authentication system, which we will build on and improve as lessons go on. In the last lesson we saw HTTP, and that is a stateless protocol. Each request is treated as an independent transaction. There is no way to use information from any previous requests. All of this means that there is no way within the HTTP protocol to remember a user's identity when moving from page to page. And this is where sessions come in. Sessions are used by web applications that require a login. A session is a semi-permanent connection between two computers. If you've never heard of sessions, you may have heard of their most common technique for implementation, which are called cookies. Cookies are small pieces of text placed on the user's browser. And cookies do persist from one page to the next, so they can store information that can be used by the application to retrieve the login user's information from a database. Over the next few lessons, we'll use Rails to create temporary sessions that expire when a browser is closed. In later lessons, we'll create sessions that last longer using the Rails cookie method. We're going to model sessions as a RESTful resource. The login page will render a form for a new session. Login will create a session, and logging out will destroy a session. The sessions resource will use cookies to persist data. So we're going to create sessions controller, a login form, and necessary controller actions. First, let's create a topic branch so that we can merge our changes later on. So here I am here in my terminal, nice and clean looking. So git checkout, B for branch, and what are we going to say? Our initial -login. We're now on a new branch. Let's start by generating a session controller with a new action. How do we do that? Rails generate controller sessions new. There we go, perfect. The new action will handle the login form. By including new here, we're generating a view as well, which is why we don't need to include create or destroy, as they don't correspond to views. We're going to create a login form that will create new sessions. The sessions resource will use only named routes. It will handle get and post requests with the login route and delete request with the logout route. So let's go to our routes file now and have a look. So here I am on the left hand side. Where's our root? Config routes.orb. So as you can see here, our new session controller has been added, which we want to remove. So zap that. There we go. And down here after line 6, we want to say get single quotation marks /login. Where's that going to go? Comma 2 single quotation marks again. Sessions is our sessions controller. S new. So when you're logging in, you're creating, as we said, a new session. The next line is a post request. Again, login, comma 2 : where's that going to go? Well, that's going to go sessions create. Perfect. And as we said on logout, that will be a delete request. So delete single quotation marks /logout. Where's that going to go to? It's going to go to sessions destroy. There we go. Perfect. Let me save that. And as I just review here, I notice a / missing from login. There we go. Again, save. The next thing we need to do is to update one of our tests with the new login route. So go to test controllers, and we're going to look at the session controller test. So over here on the left hand side, test controllers, session controller test. So as you can see here, get sessions new URL. And instead, we're going to just change this part here, and we're going to say login_path. There we go. Save that. Now, just before we close out this lesson, back here in my terminal, down here, If you type in the command Rails routes, hit enter, we should get a list of all our active routes. There we go. It's a little bit hard to read, but if you take the time here at the top of the file, you'll see all our routes and the kind of requests that they send and receive. So I'll just leave you with that one there. Over here on the right hand side you can see controller action. So I'll just leave you with that to close out this lesson. In the next lesson we're going to look at creating our login form. So thanks for listening, and I'll see you there.